What up?
PTSD in the
Gabriel
hood
Joseph,
is real and nobody
Superior
is
Sezin
talking
channel.
about it.
In this video, I want to speak on something that we so often look past, and I don't even think anybody is paying attention to this. But when a soldier goes out to the wars out there, and then they see all the killing and they see all the stuff that's going on, and they man's, you know, they comrade just died right next to them and stuff. You know, they go through a lot. They go through a lot. And it's like when they come back out here, they dealing with a whole lot of issues and stuff. And so it's a lot of programs that's in place to help those type of people, you know what I'm saying, with those type of conditions. And one of the issues that that I find is where I'm from, man, they nicknamed it after a war zone. We talking about Chirac, right? And so when we talk about Chirac, we talk about any of the hoods, you know what I'm saying, like real bad areas. You know, we talking about Detroit, we talking about even Oakland out there. We talking about New Orleans, we talking about some real bad areas, man. You know what I'm saying? These guys, these kids are literally seeing they mans get shot on a daily basis. They seeing they comrades brains blown out. They seeing blood leaking. They seeing all the graphic stuff that we can't show on TV. So it's that graphic to not show it on TV. But these kids out here dealing with that stuff. And nobody's talking to that. Nobody's talking about that. The PTSD that is going on in the hood. The PTSD that goes on because we of people of color turn on our TV and we see white officers killing niggas, beating niggas. You know what I'm saying? We see a government that is known to lock up niggas for literally nothing. You know? And so what I want to do is basically spread some awareness, man, that we need more PTSD type programs in the black community. Black people been dealing with a lot of stuff, man. I remember when I was a shorty, I turned on the TV and saw Rodney King getting his ass whooped. That messed with me for a little while. I was a shorty, lived in Denver, Colorado in the early 90s. Martin Luther King march happening. What happened next? A bunch of KKK niggas came in kicking and punching and doing a whole bunch of craziness to the blacks that was there. Old ladies getting pushed over, everything, just wilding. That messed with me for a long time. Long time. And I get it, it's like, man, well, you didn't get shot. Well, I mean, I've been through some stuff, but look, I'm just saying, we're not even looking at what this country did or is doing to us and then looking at the effects. Young black men right now are being affected just as well as people out there being paid to defend this country. Think about that, man. That says a lot. That says a lot. And so what you got to understand, that the kids out here watching their mans and holding their mans bleed out and stuff like that, and people getting shot at close range and heads exploding and all guts and stuff getting on their shirts, and that's reality for some people, man. And if we ain't protecting these people, man, helping them get their minds in order, helping them, you know what I'm saying, get their thoughts together, man, then we're going to have more and more problems of the same thing. Help me spread this awareness. PTSD awareness. I am Gabriel Joseph. Superior Sezin is the channel. We need everybody on board with this, man. Straight up. 2 fingers.